G'day guys, Greg here. Well, today I've got a real treat for you. I'm going to make for you Greggo's Loco Moco. So what's a Loco Moco? Well, it's originally a Hawaiian dish. What it is some rice topped with a hamburger steak, fried egg, and then smothered in a rich mushroom gravy. It shouldn't take too long at all, so let's check out the ingredients. So for this, all I'm using is 1 diced onion, diced mushrooms, minced meat, some soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, got some nutmeg here, powdered gravy, an egg, salt and pepper, and of course, some butter. Yeah, I love this stuff. Let's start cooking. Alright, well for starters, let's get these burgers on. Now with the meat, make sure you season it well with some pepper and salt. And these are going straight on the barbie. Get those cooking. Bit of a push down. And I'll shut the lid on that. So for starters, let's melt some butter. Yumma! And then to that I'll add the onion. And I'll add in the mushrooms as well. We'll get all that frying together. And we're going to need some boiling water too, so we'll get that boiling. And we're going to make some gravy the Cheats way. Now, we need about a cup's worth, and this says place 3 level teaspoons into 250 mils of water. Well, I wonder how much for a shovel's worth. Well, we'll just have to guess, won't we? 1, 2, 3. And we'll add the boiling water. Give that a mix. Now hopefully this will thicken up nicely into a nice gravy. Let's check on these mushrooms and onions. Well, they look magnificent. And to that I'm going to add just a dash of nutmeg, about a teaspoon of Worcestershire, and a teaspoon of soy. Oh yeah, that smells so good. And then I'm just going to add the gravy that I just whipped up and then combine all those flavours together. And that's come to the boil now, so I might just even turn that off and just let it sit there and do its thing and reduce just a little bit. Anyway, we better go and check on those burgers and give them a flip. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Giddy up. Give them a bit more of a little push. Now I did pre-cook some rice for this, so if you haven't already pre-cooked it, you better get that on too. Alrighty, well these burgers should nearly be done, which it looks like they are. So hopefully there's some fat here. And I'll crack my egg. Alright, well this should be ready by now. Oh yes it is. So I've got myself sort of a bowl-ish dish today. And for starters, we'll add in some rice. Here's the mushroom gravy. It's still a little bit runny. It's just how you want it. And just the right colour too. So I'll pour some down here on the side. We'll add a hamburger patty here. And the fried egg on the side. Do you know what would really finish this meal off? Some green stuff on top. Alrighty, well here we go, the old Greggo's Moco Loco. Done the easy way. First of all, let's try some of this sauce. That hint of Worcestershire really adds some flavour. Anyway, let's see how well I cook the meat. Just the way I like it. Alright, well how about we mix it all together. The egg, the gravy, some meat and some rice. Come at me. Aloha! If you want to see more recipes like this and amazing food and product reviews, remember hit that subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook some. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made a Poco Loco, or is it Moco? I don't know.
because I'm Poco Loco myself. It is delicious. Ooh, yeah.